In today's Focus on Your Health, we turn our attention once again to Suncoast Community Health Centers. And today's topic, childhood immunizations. And back with us is CEO Bradley Harrimans, along with Associate Medical Director Dr. Torres. Good morning to the both of you.
Well, good morning.
Okay, Brad, we always appreciate when you are here because you always bring a wonderful guest to kind of break down some of the services that you offer.
Well, thank you very much. I did it again. And Dr. Torres is one of our leading pediatricians at Suncoast Community Health Center. She's been with us a number of years, extremely passionate about what she does for the children, and I brought her along to let you know some of the things we're doing in pediatrics.
I'll say, Dr. Torres, I think the hot question that people are still talking about today, immunizations. Correct. How important are they and where can we go to get them? Yes,
we would like to emphasize the importance of getting all of our kids immunized against potentially fatal infectious diseases, okay? We have a VFC program, Vaccines for Children, and that program allows for the children from birth to 18 years of age to get qualifying patients vaccines even for free.
And so again, how much is this, and I know we've talked about this in other segments, education versus actually getting the procedure done? I'm assuming spreading the word is still just as important, right?
It is, absolutely. I mean, we educate our patients actually before the patients get immunized. We tell the parents, we give them the information. It's called a VIS, which is a form that all parents are given before, so they can read about the immunizations that the kids are getting on that day.
And immunization is not the only thing that you do provide as well. We also have the physical exams that you have to do for people, because I know a lot of schools require that for kids these days.
Yes, actually every student that's entering the Hillsborough County school system for the very first time is required to have a school physical done. So we do school physicals, sports physicals, and health maintenance visits. So we encourage our parents to bring their kids to their health maintenance visits, which happen from birth to adulthood, and they happen at different intervals depending on the patient's age.
And of course, you guys, I know, stay up to date on all of the things that are required for all of those physicals. What about the mental health side? Because so many kids right now, you're hearing talk about stress and the pressure that they feel. Talk about the mental health aspects that you're having to see, especially in maybe adolescents.
Yes, absolutely. So we've already talked about physical health, but the health of the mind is equally as important. So we offer behavioral services for those patients who need guidance, with skills and strategies that help them cope with different stresses that are part of their daily living.
And say, people are sitting at home and thinking, oh, I have a child, but getting them may be difficult, getting them to the location. I mean, you've got places all over Hillsborough County, right?
Well, we do, and that's something that we take pride in making ourselves available. All the clinics ranging all the way down to Ruskin, all the way out to Plant City, in Dover and Brandon, and we certainly are looking to expand when we can. We're going to open up a new clinic in Thanona-Sassa, where we'll be providing services for the children there also. And so, last year we cared for over 56,000 patients, and this year we hope to keep it going.
And I know one of the things you've talked about in other times you've been sitting here with me, the fact that you guys do focus on customer service and treating patients right, and especially kids. That's got to be something that you and Dr. Torres both pride yourself in. Little ones are sometimes hard to talk medical with.
Well, it's customer service is the heart and soul of what we do, and it truly is. And we talk about this all the time. We make mistakes. We're human. But we certainly never want to make the same mistake twice, and we always want to make sure that we're available for compassionate care for the family, not just the child, but the entire family, to include the parents or the guardians that are involved in this process. Make it as smooth as possible, make it as caring as possible, and that's what we're here for.
I'll say, meeting Dr. Torres, I think you've got the caring thing down. I can tell already. She seems very sweet, so we appreciate you coming on today, and of course, we always appreciate when you're here too. And again, if you want information, well, the website there was on your screen. Just log on. There it is again, and the phone number, Suncoast Community Health Centers. They can help you for any of your needs.